In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new list view in Salesforce. This simple step-by-step guide will walk you through the process and help customize your data viewing experience. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Salesforce home page. This is the central hub of your Salesforce interface and gives you quick access to various features and tools. Once there, locate the app launcher, often depicted as a grid icon in the upper left corner of the screen, and click on it. The app launcher is your gateway to different apps within Salesforce, making it easier to navigate through the platform. Next, in the app launcher, search for Contact Request and select it. This action will take you to the specific section where you want to create your new list view. Once you're in the Contact Request area, look for the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear or cogwheel. Click on this icon to open up a set of options related to the configuration of your current view. After clicking the settings icon, your next step is to select New. This option lets you start the process of creating a fresh list view. You'll be prompted to enter a list name. Choose something descriptive that relates to the data you intend to display, making it easily identifiable later. With the list name decided, you'll also need to provide an API name for your list. This is a Salesforce requirement to uniquely identify your list view within the system. Just make sure your API name is similar to your list name, and it usually follows a no spaces underscores instead naming format. The next consideration is visibility. Decide who should have access to this list view. Salesforce offers a couple of options. You can make it private, so only you can see it, or make it public to allow all users within your organization to access it. Choose Only I can see this list view if you wish to keep it private, or select All users can see this list view if you want everyone to view it. Once you've made your selection, click Save. This will finalize your new list view setup. However, to make your list view truly useful, customizing filters is key. Find the Add Filter button and click it to start refining your data display. Choose a field you want to filter on and then specify the operator. This part involves defining how you want your data to be sorted or summarized based on specific criteria. Lastly, set the value for your filter. The combination of field, operator, and value lets you precisely control what information is included in your list view. By repeating this filtering process for other fields as needed, you create a tailored view that suits your specific business needs. And that's it! You've successfully created a new list view in Salesforce. This custom view will save you time and enhance your productivity by providing exactly the data you're interested in. Thank you for watching, and happy Salesforce navigating!